So we have a right triangle. We know one of the angle measures and one of the side lengths. I'm trying to find x, which is the length of segment AC. Since this is a right triangle, I know that I can apply trig ratios. First, I need to figure out which one applies. So I'm going to write out so, ka, toa. So this phrase helps me determine which trig ratio, sine, cosine, or tangent would apply here. So looking at the triangle, I know this 55-degree angle. That's the acute angle that I'm going to use. Opposite that is segment CB. So 12 is the opposite side length. I know that AB is the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. And that makes X the adjacent side length. So the sides that I care about that will be helpful here are the opposite side, since I know the length of 12, and the adjacent side. That's what I'm trying to find. That's X. So adjacent and opposite. I'm looking for which of these in so, ka, toa has an O and an A for opposite and adjacent. And that would be toa. So tangent, that's what the T stands for. Tangent is what I will use to create my equation. So the general equation is tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. Pretend like I spelled that correctly. Over adjacent. Okay, so now we need to substitute in the known values. Theta represents the acute angle measure here, which is 55. So tangent of 55 equals, the opposite side is 12, and the adjacent side is x. So the right side of my equation is 12 over x. To isolate x here, since x is in the denominator, I need to multiply both sides by x. I do that because then on the right side, those x cancel out. So I have x times tangent of 55 is equal to 12. I'm still trying to isolate x. Right now, x is being multiplied by tangent of 55. So I need to divide by tangent of 55 on both sides. On the left side, these tangent of 55s cancel out. And 12 divided by tangent of 55 is what I'll need to type into my calculator. Let's see, do I have a calculator ready here? Of course not. Okay, so I can always go into Desmos Scientific Calculator. If you just type Desmos, it's probably one of the first things that will come up. Okay, so it was 12 divided by tangent of 55. We'll round this to the nearest tenth, which would be 8.4.